say something.
My uncle.
Your uncle?
He's my uncle.
From Lisbon?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, what I got here, I'm going to do a fish stew. It's in Portuguese called caldeirada de peixe, and that involves fish, because in Luderitz is very good for the crayfish, very popular. 2 types of crayfish, prawn, mussels. You can add calamari. Many, but that is the basic food, because this caldeirada refers to fishermen's food. That's what they used to do on the vessels and as the ports. Then we have to add tomatoes, onions, red peppers, green peppers or yellow peppers. Garlic is the main, olive oil, pepper, salt and pepper, and that's it. But this is delish, and you serve with white rice. Let us start it.
Enjoy the show, guys.
Yeah. You can make in any pot, but traditional in Portuguese we call the Cataplana. Is a copper dish pot which got a cover. And why is it good in a Cataplana? Because you don't add water, so the juices of the vegetables and the fish makes the gravy or the sauce, and then is because it's covered, you not open again when it's ready. Is this the Cataplana? Going to cook oil. See, with the skin. Your prawns, your mussels, then onion, garlic, all in layers. Tomato, that's the caldeirada, all in layers. That. Now I have here tomato paste. This is basic for make the pot more red. I leave white pepper. Seafood dishes always must, it's got salt, but need salt. More, and we carry on the layers. Fish, the crayfish, the prawns, the mussels, coriander or parsley, more, and like this. And to fill up the pot. And the red pepper. Pepper. Look how beautiful. Look at this. And the little bowl.
Tomato paste.
Tomato paste.
Oh, and then you can
More oil. Leave. Pepper, and then I'm going to add a little bit of white wine. I'm going to fetch it. Just
a dry white wine.
Dry
Sauvignon Blanc or Chenin Blanc.
Like that. Nice portion of wine. Now I'm going to close my Cataplana and go to steam all the juices. See, no more juices being added.
Just a bit of wine.
Just a bit of wine and the juices from the seafood and the vegetables, the tomato. You can see it's a little bit thick. That should be the consistency. And look, and they firm, not overcooked.
Not overcooked.
No. Don't take the prawns on for one plate, please. I'm kidding. Like this, not cut small, like this. Look how pretty. And give flavor. The coriander. Who likes coriander? My son doesn't like coriander. I can't add coriander when he's present. Hello, Albert.